Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Forza Horizon 6. You got an error. The game is unexpectedly terminated due to an error with error message video card crash code FHC01. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, you need to open up a web browser and download the latest Microsoft Visual C++ into your system. So for that, scroll down and you will find two links, x86 as well as x64. You need to click on each of the link one by one. First of all, download both the links, and once both the links are downloaded, you need to install both the links of the Microsoft Visual C++ into your system and then restart your PC to fix out this crashing error code FHC01. And while launching the game, make sure you must launch the Xbox app into your system. Launch it, run it into the background, and then hit the play option to play the game. If this failed to work out, in next step, right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. Now from here, you need to find the audio devices related to nvidia. Under the audio devices, right over here, you may find nvidia audio devices. Once you find, right click and choose option disable device. It is either right in the audio input or output, or in the audio processing object, or it may be available under sound, video and game controller. By expanding, you will find nvidia audio devices. Disable them. Once they are disabled, make sure before launching or before hitting the play option, you must unplug any kind of controller or racing wheel from your system. After unplugging the controller or a racing wheel, launch the game, and once you are able to launch the game, you can reconnect your controller or racing wheel to play the game to fix out the issue. Although, if this failed to work out, in next step, if you have installed one of these programs, Citrix Workspace, Riva Tuner or MSI Afterburner. If you have installed these programs into your system, make sure you completely uninstall MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner or Citrix Workspace. After uninstalling these three programs, right click on the game, go to properties, click on install files and click on the option verify integrate to the game files. It will take few minutes, and once the integrity is verified, hit the play option and the issue of video card crash code FHC01 will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.